How to use Direct Investing properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Direct Investing is one of Canada's most accessible platforms for building long-term wealth, but most beginners make small mistakes that quietly cost them money over time. Let's make sure that doesn't happen to you. The first mistake is skipping the goals setup process. Direct uses your financial goals to tailor your portfolio, whether you're saving for retirement, a home, or general growth. Many people rush through this part, but it's the foundation that determines your risk level and investment mix. Next, users forget to enable automatic contributions. The truth is, consistent investing beats market timing every time. Setting up a recurring deposit, even just a few dollars a week, takes advantage of dollar cost averaging and keeps your money growing steadily. Another common mistake? Ignoring fees. Direct's management fees are lower than most traditional advisors, but they still impact long-term returns. Knowing your all-in cost helps you measure performance accurately. Pro tip: explore the goals dashboard regularly. It tracks your progress and shows if you're on pace or falling behind. Many investors never check it and miss the chance to adjust early. And here's what most people get wrong: they think automation means set it and forget it. The best investors still review their portfolios yearly, update goals, and stay informed. Used properly, Direct Investing can turn your savings into a disciplined, goal-driven plan that compounds quietly in the background, helping you reach financial freedom faster than you think.